الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا سألك عبادي عني فإني قريب أجيب دعوة الداعي إذا دعاني فليستجيبوا لي وليؤمنوا بي لعلهم يرشدون صدق الله العظيم. My dear fellows, today in this era, what is our conceptions and what is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has conceptions about us? So there are two different ways. Now I'm gonna tell you what is our conceptions and how we feel to spend our life. So if we go to any institute or a school or any company and we want to call someone, so we're gonna get example of school, and I go to school and I want my friend, his name is Qasim. So now when I talk to that principal of that school, of that institute, I won't say that I have to meet Qasim. But first of all, I will say I want to meet Qasim. His father name is etc. His father name is Ismail. He studies in third class section B. So we have to tell these all details that we can get our friend and we can meet him. So we have to tell all these details to catch our friend. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, when you want to make a dua, so you don't have to tell me that my name is etc., my father name is this, I live in this country, in this city, in this mosque. No, you have to just tell that my name is Sufyan, my name is Qasim, and I know you are that my person, you are my beloved, and whatever you want, whatever you wish it from me, I'll give you. Whatever you want. And I know everyone in the world, at least in universe, I know everyone. This is the real thing. And now we don't make a dua every day. Why? Because when we do bad deeds or we have a lot of sins, like a song or other things, so today we make a dua, Allah Ta'ala forgives us, then tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. So we think in ourselves that I make a sin every day and then I make a dua, Allah Ta'ala forgive me. So what does Allah Ta'ala think about me? Because every day I make a sin and I make a dua. So why we have this concept? Because we live in this era. So we have some problem to a person, we go to him and we talk to him that I have this problem, we have to solve this. Today we go to him, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 3 or 4 days, he must say, what happened to you, man? What the hell you are? You come to me every day, you have problems, I have to solve it. So we feel shy. Allah. Every day I go to that man. After every day I go to that man and I want my problem to solve that. So we feel shy. But Allah Ta'ala say, if you want to come every day, every morning, every night, everywhere, I will have to solve your problem. Allah. I don't have these conceptions. So we judge this person with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that's why we do not make a dua every day. Allah Ta'ala said, you have to make dua every day. I will give you. You will tire. You will tire to ask me, but I won't try to give you everything. So my dear fellows, you have to make a dua every day. every time, every minute. And you don't have to raise your hand. You don't have to sit on in the mosque and you offer 2 rakat nafil. No, not need. If you are going somewhere, you can make a dua and your heart, not by your tongue. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you everything, whatever He wants, whatever you want. So this is my humble request, all of you, to act upon whatever I says. Wa akhiru da'wana.